Michelle here from StrawBearie.com, and today I'm going to share with you some must-have items for having fun out in the sun and in the water. Today, the items that I'm going to be sharing with you are tried and true things that I actually use. Most of them can be found on Amazon. There are affiliate links. I get a teeny tiny margin of those sales at no cost to you if you follow those links. I'm also a Little Rose hair consultant, so I do make money on the Little Rose products as well. All right, so let's get into this. First thing you need is you need a towel. Here's my towel of choice. See that? It is not very big. This is what is known as a Turkish beach towel. If I saw this in the store, I would not think of it as a towel. I would think maybe it's a tablecloth or something like that. It rolls up really tight. It's very thin. It's not terry cloth. It's not towel fabric. I unfold it, unroll it, and I know you can't see the floor, but it is touching the floor right now. So it is definitely big enough to lay on the beach. Because it's not terry cloth, because it's this woven fabric, it doesn't keep sand on it. The sand just shakes right off if you're at the beach. The grass, the leaves shake right off if you're at a picnic someplace. You can use it as a towel. It will dry you off, and it dries quickly because it is thin. I actually bought one for myself to try it out. Loved it so much, I immediately went and purchased another one for my husband, and I think I've stolen that one, and I use that one all the time now, too. You can use this as a sarong or a cover-up when you are out at the beach. I've taken this in my purse and used it in the movie theater when the theater was too cold to put over my legs like a little blanket. Used it as a blanket in the car while traveling. A Turkish beach towel, let me tell you, they fold up so small, they are so awesome, you need to get one. Guys, I am a redhead. I have redhead skin. Very, very fair, very pale. I burn easily, I flush easily, I freckle. I've had skin cancer like 5 times already, and this is what my dermatologist recommends for me. It is called, hopefully you can see that, Blue Lizard Australian sunscreen, and it's mineral, and it's also reef friendly, so if you're going out to the reef, I like using this knowing that there's not all the chemicals as regular sunscreen, since I really need to wear sunscreen every single day. Sometimes I can get burned just walking from my house to my car or from my house to my mailbox and back. So having a good chemical free or at least mineral base, meaning there's more minerals than there are chemicals in it, is a must for me. Next, I wanted to show you this. This is a tinted lip balm. It is from Sunbum. The color is Sunset Cove, and so you can protect your lips, keep them nice and moist, and have a little bit of color while you're out there in the sun and in the water. So speaking of getting sunburned, besides using my sunscreen, I also wear Rash Guards most of the time when I'm out and on the water and stuff. This is my favorite Rash Guard. It has a zipper, so it zips all the way down. You can take it off. You do need to wear like a bikini top underneath it. I just think the pattern on this one is absolutely cute and beautiful and fun. I've had this one for a few years, and I really like it. This is the first Rash Guard that I bought. It's pink. It is a pullover style, has a little zipper just at the top of the neck. But what's cool about it is it has this ruching on the sides, so you can pull it tight, and it, kind of helps slenderize you. You can undo it, and it makes it really long, so it can be more like a dress or a beach cover-up that way. And so that is a really cool Rash Guard. I will have a link to that one and the one I'm wearing. And then I just bought, I have not worn out in the sun yet, this one. This one is a pullover, and it actually is a Rash Guard swimsuit because it came with bottoms that match, and it's kind of cool because it has a liner inside, a bra liner, so you don't have to wear a bikini underneath it. So I'm looking forward to getting to wear that one this summer. When it's hot outside, I hate having my hair on the back of my neck, and I'm sweating and it's like sticking to me, so I always am putting my hair up. My favorite way to one of my favorite ways to put my hair up is to just pull my hair up on top of my head, twist it around like so, like a little bun, and then I will take a U-pin. This is from Lila Rose, and you just stick it in, and you flip it and poke the prongs to the other end, and voila, messy bun, quick and easy. I wear this like all the time. If you just want to wear like a ponytail, I'm going to recommend a flexi flip. So if I wear it this way, I can just put a little bit of hair up, like half my hair or something. But if I flip it around, then I can put more hair into it. So I'm going to gather my hair into a ponytail. I'm going to stick my flexi flip around and fasten it. And it's cute, and it's stylish, and yeah, holds my hair up. Which brings me to my next item that I'm so excited about, y'all. I haven't been that excited about a product from Amazon in a while, but it is this sun hat. So first of all, it's pink. It's adorable, isn't it? It has a strap, so if I'm out on my kayak on a windy day, it is not going to blow away because I can tighten it down around my chin. And, wait for it, it has a hole for a ponytail. Why didn't we think of this earlier? This is amazing. So I can stick my ponytail with my flexi flip on it through the hole in the hat, pull my string, put on my hat, keep my face covered, wear my big floppy hat. If it's windy, I can tighten it up, and yay! Because the problem I've always had with sun hats is my hair's still in the back of my neck because I couldn't wear a ponytail. But now I can wear a ponytail with a sun hat. And it comes in a whole bunch of different amazing colors, so if you want one, find the link below. Next is one of these waterproof phone cases. Now, honestly, I just bought these at Walmart, but I'll have something similar linked from Amazon. This one I actually really like because it has tubes of air around the sides, because if I'm in the lake or the Texas Ocean, which isn't very clear, and I drop my phone, it may be gone forever. But with this, at least maybe it can float a little bit so I can find it. If you're in the Caribbean where there's beautiful clear waters, you don't need the float. But, you know, I'm going to need the float. The next thing you're going to need is a good pair of sunglasses. I don't go anywhere without my sunglasses. These are actually prescription sunglasses. They are from Zenni, but you can get prescriptions. I don't know. I got the mirrored lenses and everything. They even say, I don't know if you can see that, but they say Straw-Bearie inside on the frame. My older pair has Straw-Bearie on the outside of the frame, and I don't know, maybe $30 for the prescription, the tinting, all the stuff, and, you know, better than, you know, they're prescription sunglasses, and they're cheap, so that if I lose them, it's not a huge big deal. So I highly recommend these. If you're going to be doing something very active in the water, like maybe water skiing or rafting through rapids, I recommend a holder for your sunglasses. So this one has little floaties on it. And these ends stick into your sunglasses, and it's just around your neck. And it keeps, if you do lose your sunglasses, it keeps them on your neck instead of flying off down the river or the lake or wherever. And with the floaties, it keeps them afloat so that you can find them and they don't sink down below the murky water. You got to stay hydrated. So this is my water bottle. It is an infuser water bottle. Inside this little cage type thing, you can put, I have ginger in here right now. I love ginger in my water. What do you like in your water? Leave it in the comments below. I'm curious. You could put cucumbers, you could put limes, lemons, oranges, apples, whatever. You can drink from it. You put the lid back on. The lid has a loop, so it's easy to carry, or you can put a carabiner over it. I like the fact that it's very skinny, so I can stick it in the cup holder in my car, and it fits perfectly. There's a little rubber tab up here at the top that you can take out Don't really know what it's for, but I can tell you that it does not leak. I throw this into my lunch kit when I go to school every day, and it has not leaked on me once. And that's not true about all bottles. I've had 2 other infuser bottles that have broken, and before they broke, they leaked. But I dropped them and they cracked, and this one I've dropped. I've done all kinds of things too, and this is by far the best one, so I will definitely link to it below. As a water bottle, I recommend a nice big insulated cup. So this is actually a Cody cooler, and it's made by our Texas grocery store called H-E-B. I put on my name using my vinyl cutter, and I used vinyl on it, and so I really recommend these Cody ones from H-E-B. Not a sponsor, but I'll link to a Yeti, which is very, very similar. I'll tell you though, one of the reasons why I like the Cody over the Yeti is because it has this push away lid to make the opening, and then it's just big enough to put a straw through if you want a straw, or you can just drink straight through it. And I like the Cody lid better than the Yeti lid, but the Yetis are very, very similar in the insulating factor. They're both very well insulated. Some of your cheaper cups are not going to be insulated as well. I can put ice in this and it will stay all day. If it's inside, then the ice will stay overnight, so it's awesome. Next, you need a good bag. No, you don't need a good bag. You need a bag. You need a bag to carry all your stuff. And honestly, my favorite bag is a clear stadium bag that I got for free when I went to a college football game. And the reason why I like this especially when I'm out, well, I like this bag when I'm out on my kayak because I can put things in here, and so when I'm on my kayak, my stuff is usually in the compartment behind me, and it's hard for me to reach. So I can paddle up to one of my friends, and I can say, hey, can you pass me my sunscreen? It's in my bag back there. And they can reach in, see the sunscreen very easily, and pull it out and hand it to me. So I really like a clear bag when I'm out on my kayak. I'll link to one similar. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I'm showing you this. This bag is like super old. I got it from Walmart. Any beach bag would work. But this is what I usually carry my stuff to the beach with so that I can hide things. It's got different compartments and stuff. Everybody needs a bag. Here's a bonus. When I'm out on my kayak, my paddle is like metal. And I get blisters on my hands, but what's even worse is my hands slip and slide over my paddle as I'm trying to paddle. So I knew I wanted some kind of glove, and I went to Academy, and they had fishing gloves that would have worked, but they were pretty expensive. Then I found a pair of fishing gloves that were only like $3 or $4, and they got a fish on them, and they have this rubber on this side, but they had fingers, and I didn't like the fingers. So I cut the fingers off, and I use these when I paddle. I'll see if I can link to something similar that you might be able to use if you're not into cutting up your own gloves to paddle with your kayak, but these have been really cool. Next recommendation is a float. So I live where it's really hot, and if you're not in the water, you're too hot. So I do not recommend the kind of floats where you can lay on top of and never get wet. I like the tube style where you can get inside the tube. Your arms are over the sides, your legs are over the end, and your bottom is in the water, keeping you cool. And mine has like a net bottom so that if I'm holding something, my sunglasses, my water bottle or whatever, and it falls, it's not gone forever. It's right there next to me, and I can just pull it back up. Plus, mine has cup holders, but definitely a float of some kind.
And the fact that this float is inflatable makes it easier to transport and take wherever you need to go.
Everybody needs a good chair for just hanging out outside by the water or wherever you're at. I love my little beach chair. It is very short, and it's just easy to carry, fold up, take with me, and I think it's really cute. I bought it at a souvenir store when I was at the beach one time, and I bought the umbrella that matches, but I will link to something similar on Amazon. This is my husband's chair of choice. It is a lounge recliner, and it's very, very comfortable, I have to admit. It's just a little bit big and bulky for me to carry around all the time. With my next one, which is an umbrella. So I have a matching umbrella, but you also need the screw thing that goes with it. So you take this umbrella holder and you screw it down into the dirt or the sand, and it holds your umbrella up and it keeps your umbrella from flying off. Definitely recommend that. I actually can't find mine right now. I'm not sure where it is, so I'm going to have to go get a new one. The next one is a cup holder. So when you're sitting out at the lake or the beach, having your cup next to you so that you can easily reach it is a great thing. So I like this one because it has a place for your cup, plus it has extra storage for your phone or your sunscreen. So this is my recommendation on that. Yes, we try not to get sunburned, but you know it's probably going to happen every once in a while. And you need some aloe. Now, if you go to buy aloe vera at the store or you buy an after sun aloe stuff, it's going to have a lot of ingredients in it that are not aloe. In fact, a lot of them have alcohol in them, which is going to dry your skin. So I recommend that you get an aloe vera plant. And you can see I need to repot this little guy, but I pull off a couple of the branches below here, and you just pull them off, and you can open them up, and you can get all the juicy goodness and take care of your sunburn like that. One more that I want to share with you are my chacos. I absolutely love these sandals. These are black and white, and they kind of go with almost everything. They are super supportive. They attach to my feet and they're not going to fall off. I actually wear these walking, even for exercise. I wear these through the water. I wear them to work when I'm on my feet all day. I love my chacos. I have two different pairs, and I will link both the actual pairs that I have. I have this black and white one, and then I have one that's got pink and aqua, kind of got stars on it. I will link both of those below. So those are my must-have, essential, fun in the sun and water items, and I hope that maybe something I have shown you has inspired you, and I hope that you get out there and enjoy the beautiful weather that God has given us, and have a super awesome day. Like and subscribe to this video, tell your friends about my channel, and I have a big surprise coming up really, really soon, so make sure that you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Toodles!